A Nairobi-based expert has said the Chinese economy is expected to remain resilient and strong, given its sound fundamentals.
The recent rapid economic growth of China is definitely one that is unlikely to slow down, and therefore there could be hiccups here and there, but it's very unlikely, largely due to its very, very strong investment in education, in research. They are leading already in certain emerging areas. So as we move towards the new economy, the more advanced economy, it's likely that China will continue to be at the forefront in all dimensions, both in manufacturing, in technology, and also in human development, and also in their governance systems. They're innovating also. So therefore, in my opinion, one needs to look at China collectively, then you understand the full picture and why it is resilient. It's a market that is likely to continue being very resilient, very strong.
Nihia said he expects trade cooperation between China and Kenya to further grow.
My expectation is that it will grow even more. There's a lot of depth, potential for growth, because there's a lot of talk going on, but the practical business needs to increase. So therefore, in terms of the future, the development, the partnerships, it just need to be increased. And there's no visible slowdown, as it were, in this partnership, because we are basically just getting started. That's how I can put it.